Hello everyone, welcome to Iris Idea family. So this is the induction video for procedure. So under that we will cover timesheet and attendance procedure. So what is the introduction of timesheet and attendance procedure is this is a summary which is defined by the Iris Idea Private Limited to while have to attempt to comprehensive as possible. This is a situation which are not dwelled upon and hence you might to need to seek assistance from your supervisor or HR. So this procedure is for this procedure, and this procedure may be reviewed or modified periodically. So always please, if you have any issue, face the any issue, you go through the policy procedure to review because it's periodically it modified. So always check the procedure. What are the object of this procedure? To help you the process, lay down the process of employee regarding how they can put their timesheet and attendance to record their work. Procedures and procedure elements. What are the timesheet and attendance? So what is timesheet? Timesheet is a data table which is used to track time particular employee has worked during a certain period. So timesheet used to record time spent on a task, project, or clients. Okay. And attendance, it is a punctual and regular attendance which each employee of Iris Idea need to be do that punch in and punch out every day on the work as report as work as scheduled on time and prepare start working on that. So how you can process the timesheet? So the process of timesheet is you should fill timesheet every day. Every employee should fill the timesheet every day. To fill the timesheet, you have to visit HRMS portal, go to timesheet, edit section, select the week, entire activity, enter the number of hour given each activity, note, mention the necessary details of each task, and then save. Every Friday, an employee is required to submit the timesheet for the whole week. Similar for the last day of every month, timesheet of entire should be submitted. Manager will approve the timesheet for the employee. Okay, this will be the process. First, for update the timesheet. So I'll show you how to update the timesheet. You have to go to you have to first log in HRMS. Once you log in, click on the time, then timesheet, then edit project, whatever the project you are working, enter the project, select the activity, what your activity is there. If suppose you are working Infosys MUN developer project, so you can update the Infosys full stack web. If you are your activity as a full stack MUN developer, then that work, how much hour you have worked on that project. Suppose you have worked at 4 hours, again on Monday, add row, then type for another work project. If suppose you have work on another client project, another project, select what you have activity you have done, select that activity. Then again you have support 2 hours, you can write. Again you have work on different project. So you have to update that. Same way you have to update every day. Then click on save. Okay. Same way you have to do for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Once you completed whole day, then you have to click on submit. Okay. This is not my task. I'll just, and if you have by mistake, you have done the wrong project you have selected, you can delete it. Okay. And then click on save. Once you're done, okay, like that, you have to fill and then click on save. According to your project, you have to do how many hours you spend that project and for another project. And once the Friday is there, or Friday, once you update everything, then click on submit. Okay. Once you click on submit, that timesheet mail will be sent to the HR and your supervisor. Okay. According this way, you have to fill the timesheet. Now come to the process of attendance. For attendance, you require to fill every day the movement of employee happens once you start your work. Before start work, you have to punch in, and once your work is done, end of the day, you have to punch out. Okay. So same, you have to go to the Iris ID at HRMS portal, then time, then attendance, then click on punch in, write the, once you punch in, it is fine. Once click in punch in, and at the time of punch out, write the note if required. Okay. In the case employee forget to, if you forget to punch in or punch out, please inform your HR department after acknowledging the respective manager. Okay. Means you have how you can inform your HR. Okay. For the, if you forget to punch in or punch out, same, click on the time, attendance, punch in, click on the date, whatever the date, time, then click on in. And once you're done, you write the, if you required, you can type the note. If you are taking half day or anything, you type a note also, and then click on punch out. Once you have done your work, by end of day, you have to punch out. This way you can punch in and punch out. So I hope you have understand how to maintain a timesheet and how to maintain attendance. So I hope you, if you have find any query, you can directly ask your HR for the respective things. Okay. So wish you a great career with Iris Idea. Good luck.